Weather's warming up a bit. It's getting nice. Today we're going to head up to the Bronx, very southern part of the Bronx, right across the river. Check out the Spuyten-Duyvil Overlook. See what we can see. If you're just finding this channel, I pick out places in New York City to go explore, and I take you with me. But today we're going uptown. I need to make sure I get on the right train. Spuyten-Duyvil, let's go. Hey look, it's bathrooms. Taking the train today. Not that one though. So the way to get to the place that we're going today actually was the fastest at this point in time by taking the subway to the train station and taking the train a couple stops up in the Bronx. So we're doing that. Plus, it's an exciting new adventure. It also seems fitting that we're taking the train right after going to Penn Station like we did last time. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it yet. Even though these trains go to Grand Central. There's a ton of activity up here. It's just one train after another. Nice. Up here at 125th Street, this is the last stop before the trains go underground and go to Grand Central Station. So everything comes through here. At the Spuyten-Duyvil station. Henry Hudson Bridge is right behind me. Inwood Hills Park's right across the way there. We've been there. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it. We should see lots more of it, but that's the Spuyten-Duyvil Bridge right over there. There you go. So the plan is there's an overlook up there somewhere, and there are a couple villas. It's a famous spot for people to take pictures. You'll see what that looks like. There's a park up there. See what that looks like. Let's just explore. Well, here's the first overlook. It's barely open. Let's go in. This is a tiny little overlook, but it's got some great views. Looks like that was once a park that you could go down into, but it's locked and totally overgrown. So, not anymore. What do we got? You can see the railroad station where we just got off down there. Spuyten-Duyvil Bridge, it's right there. That's a railroad bridge. And off in the distance, you can see the George Washington Bridge. We just walked over that a little while ago. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it. And of course, the Hudson River. All right, we're gonna keep walking up the street here because I think that's where the villas are and that amazing view. These are pretty cool houses. They're like perched on the edge of the cliff. It's out over the Hudson. These are, of course, private homes, so I'm not going in there, but there it is. Well, those were the Instagrammable villas. So all of these apartments and villas right here are right on the Hudson, up on a cliff. I'm sure it's an amazing view. Let's keep going this way. Henry Hudson Park is right there. Let's see what that looks like. Hey look, more bathrooms. Now we're looking down on the villas where we just were. Hudson's through the trees right over there. It's a cute little park. are a few cherry blossoms here. It is spring and they're all out in Central Park. I haven't been over there as much this year though, just different schedule. That goes down to the street. It goes back into the park. We'll go that way. I think there might be more. That's sad. Hopefully the kid comes back and finds it. Don't get too excited. It's the same bathrooms. We just walk in a circle. There's another part of the park across the street that apparently has the Henry Hudson Memorial. We'll go over there. I'm definitely a big fan of the tulips in the spring. Henry Hudson Park, Part 2. There's the big man himself, Henry Hudson. This is a nice little park with a familiar face. All right, what a pleasant little trip. Now I gotta figure out how to get home. I think there's a bus. We'll go find out. Well, that was pretty easy. The bus stop was like a block away, and this will take me all the way home. Well, I got over here and then realized that the bus isn't coming for another 25 minutes, so we wait. The bus is delayed, so I've been standing there for 30 minutes already. I hope it comes soon. I'm back up to the east side after another exciting adventure. Nice overlook, beautiful park, beautiful day, good times. Be sure to check out the rest of the channel up to the east side on YouTube. Like and subscribe. Look for new episodes every Friday. Thanks for coming with me to explore New York City. I'll see you next time.